All my life, I've been fascinated with mushrooms. When I learned that fungi produce enzymes that can clean up pollution, my worldview changed. The realization that living organisms have the capability to restore degraded land and purify water gave me hope. Since 2007, the Amazon Myco-Renewal Project has been collaborating with the Cloud Forest Institute to conduct conservation and restoration research in Ecuador. Our team has led several research trips to Ecuador to document fungi that are capable of surviving in severe petroleum contamination. We've taught numerous courses in mycoremediation and myco-renewal, and developed an inexpensive, easily interpretable plant bioassay to document the efficacy of fungi in detoxifying contaminated soils. I plan to oversee the research this winter and bring a team of experienced mycologists and ecological designers to Lago Agrio, where there has been a history of oil pollution since the 1960s.
Certain mushrooms are powerful decomposers. In forests of the world, they break down dead trees to create fresh soil. In the work of mycoremediation, these mushrooms can also be used to break down harmful chemicals, including petroleum waste. This research project will study the abilities of native Ecuadorian fungi to reduce and clean up the toxic crude oil in over 1,000 contaminated sites in the Amazon. We will be designing and implementing biological filtration systems to reduce this pollution's impact on streams and groundwater. These filters will be scalable and modular to enable ease of replication around the world.
The science of mycoremediation has been developing in the last few decades. However, there are few examples of the techniques that have been discovered in laboratories being applied in real-world scenarios. The Amazon Myco-Renewal Project is unique in this respect. We will be applying the concepts of myco and bioremediation to a large-scale pressing issue. We will be documenting our research along the way, refining protocols, and working to make our findings as transparent and easy to understand as possible. Our experimental design will control for variables, and our findings will be summarized for peer review and publication. The research project this spring will use the combined knowledge of the team's members to develop protocols that the people of Ecuador will be able to apply to the 1,000+ oil spills across the country. These same skills are those that we are sharing with you in this campaign.
In June of 2013, we took part in a 10-day course through AMP called The Art and Science of Myco-Renewal. The workshops and presentations in the course were broad in subject, from medicinal mushrooms to mushroom cultivation to bioremediation skills. The 80 hours of video offered in this campaign are the workshops from the Art and Science of Myco-Renewal course.
With the initiation of the Amazon Myco-Renewal Project, there's potential to link cutting-edge laboratory research about microbial communities with the functional capacity to degrade petroleum hydrocarbons, with do-it-yourself ecological restoration and mycoremediation installations. Through your contributions, you're becoming an active part of this project. We thank you for all the support you've brought into this campaign. Please spread the word and share amongst your friends and social networks.